Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back to my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I've got another super quick recipe for you for spicy mussels done my way. That's with chili and garlic, some ginger and cherry tomatoes, plenty of fresh parsley and some good extra virgin olive oil. Very simple ingredients, great flavours, looks wonderful and just takes 5 or 6 minutes to make. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Do leave a comment below and do subscribe to the channel and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe we're going to need fresh mussels, chili, garlic, ginger, lime, cherry tomatoes, plenty of parsley and some good extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to ask your fishmonger to clean the mussels for you, but even so, when you get home you'll need to give them a wash and scrape off any residue that might still be remaining. We're going to be making use of all the juices that the mussels give off, so we want them to be nice and clean. Now with the mussels cleaned we can get busy with our aromatics. We're going to cut 3 or 4 slices of ginger. We're also going to peel a nice clove of garlic or 2. This was a big one, so it was more than enough. I cut it in half and removed the little stem in the inside, which gives a kind of bitter aftertaste and gives you bad breath. So get rid of that and cut the rest into small pieces. Then take a nice big bunch of parsley and cut away the stems. We're going to use the stems to go into the broth. The leaves we're going to cut nice and roughly, very quickly, like so. Not too much fuss. The last thing we need to do is to cut up a few cherry tomatoes. Now we can get busy. We're going to go into the frying pan with plenty of good extra virgin olive oil and add the aromatics. The parsley stalks, the garlic and the ginger. As soon as the oil comes up to temperature and everything begins to sizzle, we can add the chili flakes, stir everything through and let that oil get nice and aromatic. After just 30 seconds or so, we can go straight in with the mussels. You want to have your pan really hot and we're going to put on the lid and let them begin to steam. Give them a little shake and get them coated in that oil. Let them steam for 3 or 4 minutes and then add some lime zest and the juice of half a lime. We're now going to replace the lid and let them continue steaming for another 2 minutes. After which time the mussels will be nicely opened and just cooked through. By the way, the aroma is absolutely terrific. What we're going to do now is to remove all of the open mussels and set them to one side. And any mussels that didn't open we are going to discard, along with the other aromatics in the pan. See all of those wonderful juices? That's absolutely delicious stuff. Tasting of the mussels themselves, the garlic, the ginger and the lime. We're going to put it through a filter and let it drain through, and we're going to use this to give them the final finishing touch of flavour. We just want to make sure that we've got no sand or dirt left in there. We're then going to go back to the pan, add the mussels, crank up the heat, add the cherry tomatoes, half of the parsley, and we're going to add those juices that we've just strained and cleaned. We're going to give everything a good stir through, then replace the lid and let them steam for 1 minute more. Give them a good shake to make sure everything's nicely coated. And there we are. Pop the lid back on until you get yourself a serving dish ready, and then you're ready to serve. We could just tip them all out onto the plate, but we can do better than that. Although alternatively, you could serve them up straight in the pan. But today, I laid out the mussels first, added the cherry tomatoes, a few slices of lime for some extra juice, and then I gave them a last sprinkle of chopped parsley and a last drizzle of my best extra virgin olive oil, and then I was ready to enjoy. Absolutely delicious. Buon appetito!